Omnisend for email marketing complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how can we easily use Omnisend to grow our business. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do. So here we are on omnisend.com. We can easily start for free. They give us a free trial. We can easily start to use their platform. We can easily sign up with Shopify or Gmail or email. In my case I already have an account, so here we are on our dashboard. As you can see, in the top of the screen we have a small menu with dashboard, campaigns, automation, forms and audience, also reports. And what can we find here? Basically we can easily connect our store. They have a lot of integrations with Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Wix and so on, so it will be pretty easy. If you have like a dropshipping business or e-commerce store, you can easily connect it right up here. Let's click to find how does it looks like. And basically all we need to do is just to choose the platform, and after that you need to connect it by the API or maybe some other stuff. On the campaigns folder we can find all the existing campaigns. In my case we are going to create a little bit later. Also we have like the automation folder where we can automate your marketing to sell more with less effort. Sometimes it could be really easy. We can create some triggers, create some schemas, how will we like to send the emails for our customers. Also there is like forms where we can create different forms, so we can collect subscribers from day one with eye-catching forms, so we can create something like this. And also like our audience where we can find all the contacts we have, so we can create a segment to divide contacts into different categories. And also we can add contacts. We can simply add a single contact, we can paste contact details, we can import them from different files with XLS, XLSX, OATs, CSV files and so on. Also we can import them from MailChimp if we use MailChimp, and Klaviyo if it's like necessary as for us. So there's pretty cool that we have such a lot of opportunities. And on the reports area we can find all the reports like standard form, advanced and so on. From this page here we can find all the information we need to grow our business, how does it grow or something like this. So let's go to campaigns area and we'll click on create email campaign to walk through how does it looks like. So we can easily create a regular one-time email, or we can create A/B test email, SMS or push notification. So I think these two groups are pretty useful. Let's try to create a simple email. And we'll come to the next page where we need to fill the subject line. Let it be like welcome to my channel, for example. Sender's name, let it be like helper mon, and the sender's email address. Also, like as you can see, using Gmail as a sender's email address may prevent the delivery of your emails. We can fix it by having a business like email. A pre-head, let it be like the pre-head like C1, and the campaign also C1. Language, we need to choose English. And let's go to the next step where we can find the template we are going to use. And as you can see, there are a lot of different templates we can use for free. We can divide them into different groups. So all the templates displayed right up here, recommended right up here, or we can find like some categories like sport, clothing, jewelry, shoes, and so on in the left side menu. So basically, I think I like to find something which is suitable as for me. I think this one is pretty cool. So let's click on preview to view how does it look like. I think yes, for the glass shop it's even perfect. So let's go to click on use a template, and we'll come to editor where we can edit every single section, every single element. If you're going to click on this, we can find our logo. We can simply delete this item, we can duplicate, or we can save. So let's click, and in the right side we have a menu. We can replace the image by simply clicking right up here. We can select from computer or use image from URL, and in order to interact with text we can do the same. Just simply click, resize, for example, input some more text. We can make it bold, italic, we can change the link, make it lead to our maybe page on our shop or some other stuff, all the properties are also displayed in the right like side menu. If you want to add some sections, we can easily find them right up here. So we can add like different elements like text, button, image, video. It's pretty cool, and it's pretty easy to customize this template with the help of all the features from Omnisend. We can replace this photo, we can just change or remove, we can change the alt text and so on. Basically, all these steps are quite simple and easy to understand. So I'm just going to click on finish editing to go to the next step of the settings. And as you can see here, we need to choose the who should we send to. So let it be all subscribers. Your safe sending volume for today is 250 emails, so let it be like this. Let's choose these segments, or we can choose all these subscribers. So we can click on send test email if we need send test email, and here we can choose the send a test to. So we can send it to ourselves or to our friend and do some other stuff. And when everything is done, we can just simply go to send area where we can schedule or send our emails now. So basically these are the ways we can easily do. And if you go to campaigns once more, we can find this campaign right up here. We can edit it, or we can copy or delete. Also, we can find all the drafts here, all the scheduled and all the sent campaigns we are going to interact. And from this page here, we can easily, as you can see, manage all the campaigns we are going to deal with on Omnisend. So this is the way of how can we send this email to other guys. And on automation area, we can easily try to browse it. We can find like different templates like recommended, order confirmation, product abandonment. Like we can also like use the connected apps, cross-sell delay, A/B test, and welcome. So they provide us different like scripts and different schemas. So let's try to click on customize workflow, and as you can see, it looks like this. So subscribers enter the workflow when they sign up via Omnisend. It waits for 1 minute and then just send something to them. So let it be like this. And if we are going to discover their paid plans, we can find that we have like 3 plan, free, standard, and pro, and the price, it's like about how many people are you sending to. So if you have a lot of people, the price will be higher and higher. So I think it's pretty cool that we can easily try to use it for free, and then we can decide is it necessary as for us to use the paid plan. But yeah, this is a way of how can we use Omnisend for email marketing. I hope guys this video helped you out and it made your life a little bit easier. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.